Welcome to the Verizon putting experience.
Yes, good job.
And Blake, I'm Richard. I'm going to be your caddy today, okay? So I'll take y'all around the course here.
That could be good. That could be good. Turn left, turn left, turn left. Oh!
1, 2, 3. Perfect.
You just got to touch it, get it going, and let the gravity take it on down to the hole.
All right, we ready? Everyone got their weapon of choice? Let's do it.
Uh-oh! Oh!
That may go in. That may go in.
Got that on camera, Miller time.
Hey, by the way, if you make one, you get a free 2-pack of balls.
2-ball pack! Awesome, good job. Feed that man a 2-ball pack. Come on, reach. Hook!
Nice!
Let's see it come back. Watch it come back. Come on. Oh!
Shake his hand.
Yeah, what's up?
Thank you. Thanks for coming. Enjoy the Tour Championship.